Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing video of some mail I received from my lovely friend Yvette. I will leave her links down below. I've already unwrapped it because it was easier and I didn't want to show our addresses, but she wrapped it in this really cute pink lemon paper. It's so cute, so I thought I would show that. Yeah, so let's see. I've just cut the tape off the sides as well. Oh, I love opening Happy Mail. So she has wrapped it so neatly. She's put this black heart tissue paper and this sticker to keep it closed. It's so cute. I don't want to. Wow. So she's used more of this lemon paper. It's so fun, and she's added this really nice pink shred and these foam flowers. I love these. I love the shade of pink they are as well, and lots of fun pom-poms. She always sends pom-poms in her packaging and I always love reusing those. So I'm just going to pull these packages out. And so much fun stuff. I'll definitely be reusing that. Put that to the side. Ooh, so what one shall I start with? I think I'm going to go with this one. Oh, there's lots of pom-poms. Oh, the weather's so horrible here today. It's so windy and rainy, and it's actually Halloween today, so that's not very good. Ooh, what's this? Ooh. Oh wow, look at this. It's one of those envelope stacks, and she's added this really cute charm on the bottom. Wow, it's so fun. Look at this charm. I love these wire wrapped beads. Little heart, a swan, and this yellow bow on the end. So cute. So, oh, it's so fun. So in this first front one, she's layered it with some die cuts. I think she's used, yeah, this is Garden Party. Let's see what's in here. Oh, so there's these really cute gold bows, the fabric. That's so cute. They go so well with the collection. Thank you for those, Yvette. And then this is the second one. I love these little envelopes because you have like hidden like embellishments, like you can decorate it and they're hidden underneath, so it's like a nice surprise when you open them. And then in here she has sent me some leaf die cuts. It's so fun. I like die cutting, but I hate the time they take, so it's so handy to have these ready to use. So thanks for taking the time to do that. I love those. Then the next one, she's added this really cute cluster of die cuts. She's used the vellum flower, the words, and this one. So cute. Oh, that's my letter in there, so I'm not going to take that one out. And then this one. I love the embellishments on here, and it's gold hearts. She stitched them all as well. She takes so much time. Ooh. These are another thing I love receiving. They're just so fun to use and they're so quick and easy just to grab them. So she's taken the time to make me these paper ruffles. Perfect for embellishments. don't know. I'm not going to open them now because I have to pull that top part off. But there's loads of all different patterns in here for garden pie. So that'd be perfect to use. Thank you so much for that, Yvette. So pretty. That there. And then we've got this one. Let's see what's in here. I'm rubbish at opening packages. I love how she's wrapped them on the paper and then also tissue paper. Ooh. Oh my god, how cute is this? So cute. I think it's a box. I was just trying to see how to... Oh, right in front of me, literally. Yep. So there's this I love this paper. It's one of my favourite papers. And she's added this rosette. Look at that stitching she's done on the edge. So cool. She's used this bird, this chipboard. So cute. Ooh. Oh, these are the cards. Oh my god, look at these. I've never owned these from Maggie Holmes before. She sent me some, I think it's Sweet Story. All these cards to use. These are fun. These are so good to add in when you want to add little notes into swaps or even little pen pal letters. So fun. I can decorate some of these as well. Oh my god, thank you so much for sharing those with me. Can't wait to use those. So now I'm going to go look at this again, read my letter, and yeah. So thank you so much for that, Yvette. You have spoilt me and everything's so cute. I love it. Yeah, so I hope you all have a good day and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.